Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to detach a component in Figma. So in this key tutorial I will show you how to do this very quickly in just a few steps. Guys, I will just turn this key into the component now. I will go to this menu, object, and after that main component, create component. There you go, this one. Now it's a component, and now guys we will use our widgets and plugins for this. So you can choose this button or just press on Alt K, and after that, is this the correct? Oh, Control K, sorry. And then you can search for Detach. Detach component, go here, and then you can save it, which I will do, and I will also run it. Okay. So as you can see, one component successfully detached. So it was just a component, as you saw. And after I pressed on that, it detached. So basically just choose this, then you open up your widgets, choose detach, and done, guys. So as you can see, we can make great use of plugins and widgets. They are just life-saving, so you should definitely use them. Enjoy, guys. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment. See you soon.